Today we are going to draw a frog. I'm using a pencil today, and we're going to start with a small circle right here. A small circle or smaller circle for the head. Then for the body of the frog, what we're going to do is draw a circle starting from here, and we're going to bring it all the way around, connecting it to the head. So this is the body. It's pretty much a circle, but without, and you can just draw it all the way through, or you can just do it just like this. For the eyes, we're actually going to draw two curves at the top of the head for the eyes, like this. And we're going to start right about on the sides of the head, bringing it too close to the middle, right about here. So how this will look is a curve will go from here all the way to there. That's the top of the eye of the frog. And we'll do it the same on the other side, like so. A curve that connects to the top of the head for the eye, just like that. And again, it does not have to be perfect. And with the pencil, you can go and you can erase any lines you don't want. And for the inside of the eye, we're just gonna draw a circle right in the middle of that, like so. Now the other side, we'll just draw a circle right in the middle, and there are his eyes, or its eyes. Could be a girl or a boy frog. So we'll just draw that in, color that in right like so, and we have the eyes. It's taking shape. The frog is taking shape. Next, let's give it a smile. We'll put it right about here. A large curve to create a smile. And on the ends of that, we'll just do little C's, little curves going out, like so. And then next, for the arms of the frog or the legs of the frog, we're going to draw lines that'll come right about, here. We'll start it about right in the middle of the body, and you can measure it out from the eyes. So drawing a line, imaginary line down from the eyes. This is about where your legs will start, right there, which is about the middle of the body. And we're going to bring those lines down like so, and curve it slightly at the end, well, just like that. And the other line for the other side of the leg, and curve it slightly at the end, just like that. Then for the other leg, we'll bring another line down, curve it slightly at the end, just like so. And the same for this side. Just bring that on down. And see, it's taking shape even more. So every time we add a little bit for the toes of the leg, we're going to bring that out and curve it. And we'll curve it like so. And you're going to bring that line up. And then we're going to curve the end of that line. So what we'll do is anytime you need to pause and catch up, or pause the video to catch a certain thing that I'm drawing, please do so. So right here, we're going to curve it at the end and bring it out, bring it up, curve right there in the middle, and bring it out and connect it to the other line. So there he has three little toes, and we'll do the same thing to the other side. Curve it up, curve that inside, and we'll bring that curve down, over, and curve it again. And then you have your other toes for that foot. And look at that. And it's just curved lines that connect to the legs. And for the back, we're going to draw his hind legs, and he's sitting. So his hind legs will look a little different. Where we'll start the hind legs will be a little bit higher than where we started the front legs. So we're going to draw a curve right about, we'll start right about on those points right there. And we're going to take a line out and curve it and bring it down. So we'll take this line, we're going to curve it here and bring it in closer to the body because we don't see all of the leg. Just like that, we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So you're going to curve it and bring it closer to the body. So you'll curve out here And as you bring that line down, you're going to bring it closer to the body, like so. Their back feet are a little bit larger and longer than the front. So what we're going to do, I'll bring those lines down some, closer to the front. And then here I'm going to bring a line out longer than the front. They're going to be longer than what we just did in the front. So I'm bringing that out, and I'm going to bring this one out. We're going to curve that out. Let's curve that out first. Curve that out. Curve it. And then now for the toes, we're going to bring it in. Now the toes will be about the same size as the front. They could be a little bit longer, but they're about the same size. But the feet are just longer, but the toes are around the same size. So we'll curve that in, and we're going to do the same exact thing as we did in the front. We'll give it 3 toes. And we just curve it, and then bring this line to connect it. We're going to connect this part right here to the body. So you just bring that, we're going to take a line into the body, or the leg, the front leg. And let's do the same thing on the other side. I'm actually just going to draw this in a little bit closer to the body right here. And so the back feet will start a little bit further back. And I'm just going to fix that, and I can go back and erase any lines I don't want, which I will do. So feel free, anything that you draw, just feel free to erase as you need to. And over here, we're going to draw those toes just like we did on the other side. Let's curve 3 toes, like so. Curve it, bring it out, curve, and then we're going to bring that into the body, just like that. And there we have our frog. You'll probably have these lines right here. Just go and erase those. Those can go away. Those lines that are on its leg that are part of the body that we drew, you'll just go in and erase those. And let's give it some little character. So with that, you can add little dots or freckles to the frog. Like here, we can add 3 little circles on the side. That'll give it some spots. So some frogs do have spots. And we'll do that. And you can even add some on the leg or right here on the top of the head. And let's give it a few right here. So yeah, have fun. You can give it hair, you can give it more spots, whatever you want to do. Have fun with your frog. And any tutorial that you'd like for me to draw for you, please leave it in the comments below. I'd love to hear your feedback. And until next time, friends.